Have you ever finished a workout and just felt calmer, maybe clearer, like the stress melted away for a bit? Well, that's not just in your head. A new study found that exercise can reduce anxiety as effectively as traditional talk therapy in as little as 8 to 12 weeks. In that study, researchers looked at 6 clinical trials involving adults diagnosed with anxiety disorders. And across every study, exercise led to moderate to large reductions in anxiety symptoms. In fact, the results are almost identical to what we would see in cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT, one of the most proven forms of therapy for anxiety. In that study, participants worked out for 20 to 60 minutes per session, 2 to 5 times a week. Some did aerobic exercise, walking, cycling, or swimming. Others did resistance training. And it worked, even for people who didn't respond well to medication. So what's happening here? Well, as I think you know, exercise changes our brain. It increases chemicals like serotonin, GABA, BDNF, which is short for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. These are the chemicals that help regulate mood, reduce stress, and build resilience. And unlike medication, exercise brings even more benefits. You can sleep better, you have more energy, you're more confident. It creates a powerful feedback loop to help you move and feel better, sleep better, and handle your life better. Now let's take this one step further, literally. That's where ecotherapy comes in. My name is Wes Murph. I'm an ecotherapist in Portland, Oregon. I own and operate Building Better Oregonians, a psychotherapy practice that helps men, couples, and adolescent boys live their best life. Today, I want to share with you why combining movement and talking, what I call ecotherapy, can take your mental health to a whole new level. Talk therapy helps you explore your thoughts, your emotions, and your patterns. Exercise helps you process stress through your body. When you combine them, walking and talking, something special happens. The rhythm of movement helps regulate breathing. It calms your nervous system, and it makes it easier to open up, think clearly, and release tension. It's therapy that moves emotionally and physically. So if you struggle with anxiety, you don't have to overhaul your life. You don't have to stop therapy either. Just try adding 30 to 60 minutes of moderate movement a few times a week. Walk, cycle, swim, do some light strength training. And if you're already in therapy, ask your therapist if they'd ever consider a walking session. Or look for an ecotherapist who works outdoors. Even if you go alone, notice your surroundings. Let your thoughts move and settle as your body moves too. Sometimes the best therapy doesn't happen in a chair, it happens outside. Exercise changes the brain, therapy changes the mind, but ecotherapy, when you bring them together, changes the whole person. If this message resonated with you, hit like and subscribe, and please share it with someone who might need a little reminder that healing doesn't always happen indoors. Take care of your mind, move your body, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video.